Disconnect it. Disconnect it. Disconnect it.
Water.
That's really nice, dude. That's really nice.
You got stuck in the belt sander, man.
With the belt sander, really? Really? Really, Nas?
Take your shirt off, man.
Come on, man. Oh my, look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this nigga.
That's funny,
Really, motherfucker, really? Oh shit. Oh my God, this is what we gotta deal with when we hire Empire. This is what we gotta deal with. This guy too, look.
You think I think you too, man?
Oh my goodness, really? Yeah, PM, look. He's trying to help, look. Oh my goodness.
Stop now, you gotta wait till you get that shit out.
You know what you should do? You should turn it on now.